ang kanyang phone. It looks nice, no? Magandang kanyang design, honestly. And gusto ko rin kanyang logo dito. Medyo maliit ang kanyang camera module dito, which is not as big as yung mga ibang brands. So we have your fingerprint scanner dito. And pansin ko halos wala kang makitang crease dito sa kanya. No? Wala halos wala. Pag sinalat mo ng malalim, mararamdaman. Pero wala halos wala. And another good thing is maliit ang kanyang hinges. So okay. Approve yan sa akin, no? And this is how it looks like kung nakasara. Okay. So this is how it, mga notification mo, you can set it. This is really good. And if you open it, ganito itsura niya. I would say na maganda, very strong, sturdy ang kanyang hinge.